Good morning, children. Today we are doing second chapter of Geography, Physical Features of India. In today's lesson you will learn Northern Plain of India, division on the basis of rivers, division on the basis of relief. In the last class we have done Himalayan mountains. The northern plain of India lies between the Himalaya and the peninsular region. It is formed by the deposition of sediments brought down by the rivers flowing from the Himalaya in the north and the peninsular plateau in the south. As between the Himalaya and the peninsular plateau, depression was there. No, depression means a fault. No, fold and faults are there. Fault is a depression. So it was a depression which gradually got filled with the deposition of sediments brought down by these rivers, and plain was formed. The northern plain has been formed by the interplay of three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. This plain is formed of alluvial soil. It spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer, the plain being about 2400 km long and 240 to 320 km broad. It is densely populated physiographic division. With a rich soil cover combined with adequate water supply and favorable climate, it is agriculturally a very productive part of India. The northern plain is studied in two different perspectives. One is based on the river basins and another is based on the relief features. Based on the river basins divided into three plains, namely the Punjab plain, the Ganga plain and the Assam plain. Based on the relief features divided as Bhabar, Tarai, Bhangar and Khadar. Let us try to learn a little more about these divisions. We are starting with the Punjab plain. The western part of the northern plain is referred to as the Punjab plains. It is formed by the Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of this plain lies in Pakistan. In India, it covers the states of Punjab and Haryana. The Indus and its tributaries Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj originate in the Himalaya. This section of plain means Punjab plain is dominated by the Doabs. Doab, the landform of alluvium in between two rivers. For example, Sindh Doab between Indus and Jhelum, Jet Doab between Jhelum and Chenab, Ratna Doab, Bari Doab, Bis Doab, etc. Ganga plain. The Ganga plain extends between Ghaggar and Tista rivers. It is spread over the states of North India, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, partly Jharkhand and West Bengal. Brahmaputra plain. It is formed by river Brahmaputra and lies in Assam. Now we will learn about northern plain in the context of the variations in the relief features. Before starting it, recall the location of northern plain. It is parallel to Himalaya. So the rivers, after descending from the mountains, deposit pebbles in a narrow belt of about 8 to 16 km in width, lying parallel to the slopes of Sivalaya. It is known as Bhabar. All the streams disappear in the Bhabar belt. South of this belt, the streams and rivers re-emerge and create a wet, swampy and marshy region known as Tarai. This was thickly forested region full of wildlife, though now these forests have been cleared to create agricultural land and to settle migrants from the Pakistan after partition. The largest part of the northern plain is formed of older alluvium. They lie above the floodplains of the rivers and present a terrace-like feature. This part is known as Bhangar. The soil in this region contains calcareous deposit known as Kankad. The newly younger deposit of the floodplain are called Khadar. They are renewed almost after every year and so are fertile and thus ideal for intensive agriculture. Hope you understand it nicely. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless you.